Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Guitar. Myself Varun. In this video, I'll be doing the tutorial for the Anupallavi part of the song Kanmani Anboda from the Tamil movie Guna. So the Pallavi had already been done. So I hope you can learn the Anupallavi part from my video. Anupallavi will start from this note. So this part is played in the first string. So the first string 12th fret, which is E. E, D sharp. 12, 11. That is a position not already been displayed in the screen. So I am simultaneously telling about the position. So 12, 11. 12, 12, 11. See. So 12, 12, 11, 9, 9, 11, 14 and 12. So 12, 12, 11, next 9, 11, 11, 14, then stop at 12. Again repeating this part only. 11, 11, 14, 12. That is repeating. 11, 11, 14, 12. And next is I don't know the exact lyric. You can refer the screen. That note is positions are 11, 9, 7, 5. The notes are D sharp, C sharp, B and A. Mayamende. That part is Mayamende. That note positions are 4, 5, 7, 9 and the notes are G sharp, A, B, C sharp. Mayamende. Punmane. Next is Punmane, Punmane. So the Punmane is 7, 9, 11. Punmane. And notes are B, C sharp, D. Punmane. So two times that Punmane is playing, but notes are completely different. So that last Punmane is notes are C sharp, D sharp and next is F sharp and E. Positions are position are 9, 11, 14, 12. 9, 11, 14, 12. That are the position. So up to this we learned. Next is so that notes are so that is playing in 7th and 6th position. 7, 7, 6, 7. That is a position. And the notes are B, B, A sharp, B, 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 A sharp B, C sharp B. Na 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 na. And next is B, A, B, then C sharp, then B. Position are 7, 6, 7, 9. This position, fret number 7, 6, 7, 9. Next is na 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 na. Fret number 2, 4, 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 2, 4, 5. So all these notes are playing in the first string. Remember, Pallavi part I played every notes on the second string. Now for the Anupallavi part I am playing all the notes in the second string. And for this the notes are F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A. Next is Mani Tharuvayam Kolla, that part. So from a 4th fret to the 9th fret. 4, 9, 9. Mani Tharuvayam Kolla. So position wise 4, 9, 9, 8. 4, 9, 9, 8, 5, 4. That is Manirudar Uyarna Kolga. Note wise it is G sharp, G sharp, D sharp. Sorry, G sharp, D. G sharp, D. Then C sharp, again A and G sharp. That is Manirudar Uyarna Kolga. And again Manita Kaadhalan. Idu Manidar Kaadhalalla. So that we are playing in the 1st fret of the note, that is G sharp. Idu Manidar Kaadhalalla, idu Manidar Kaadhalalla. So position wise 4, 11, 9, then 8. Next is Puneyum Thandi. Na 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 Puneyum Thandi. So that is very easy. Fret number 9, 11, 9, 9, 9, 11, 11, 11 and 12. Then Abhirami. So all that part is same as that of Pallavi. Okay, so same. Kanmani Anboda. So the same notes are we can apply to this part. Abhirami Aratam. So that part. So this is the Anupallavi session. Hope you can learn from my video. Happy learning.